You guys remember, well, some of you probably remember these old vibrating chainsaws, the automatic oilers. Anyway, my father picked this one up at a yard sale. And I kind of laughed, you know. I said, why did you buy that? He said, it's supposed to work. I said, work? That can't work. Anyway, I looked it up. And it was made right here in Quebec. Between 72 and 78. So she's almost 40 years old. Or a little over 40, I should say. If it was made in 72, it's over 40 years old. It's unbelievable. And it starts like a brand new one. And the little flamer, the 58cc. And she's got some torque to her, I'll tell you that. Alright,